Hi, how are you doing today? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to draw the details of the grass and the field, how we draw it. We draw few lines like this in different places. As we want to make a field, then few lines will be here like this. This is a separate part. For every drawing we need to draw the field. Because of the perspective, the grass or the bush which is near at us will be the bigger. As we go to a distance, this will be smaller and smaller. Because the things in far or in distance, we see it smaller, and which is nearer at us, we see it bigger. That's how the perspective works. So we put it like this. Also few lines here. Thus we can see that the grasses is going to the farther. Now we can put the green to the main border, or the main shades are green. This going to the same as the grass here. I can draw it here. And the light green in the middle. So putting the stuffs like the dark green or the light green, these variations, this makes the looking of the field little bit interesting. It looks nice. Monochromic or the same things is not that much interesting as we put the variations on the drawings. All right, now we're going to get the pencil and put the details of the green grass. These are the bigger green, getting bigger and bigger as the drawing comes near at us. All right, we can draw a few lines in between the main lines. Few details here. Okay, So we put uniform, the total shade all over the drawing. All right, so this is the field of the grass. I hope you guys like the details. Please do the practice, practice and practice. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.